Go. No.
Weak.
We good.
Just belly. All belly.
Oh, no. My knees are still.
Just go like this. Now jump. Oh, weak.
Carter, just stand there and just
This.
fall
You
forward.
gotta land like this. You gotta land like this.
I don't know how to do that.
See, it doesn't hurt, does it?
Just jump.
What's it?
Just dive. Dive like this. Just jump and just dive.
I don't know how to dive.
Just
Here,
try
How
it.
about fall backwards?
Yeah.
Just fall. Just fall. Just fall.
Just push him.
fall.
Just push him.
Just fall.
Just push him.
I want him to just see what it is. Jesus.
Just Jesus fall.
Here, just fall backwards. Keep your legs right here. Now fall. Fall.
And
Here, watch. Let me 360 him.
oh God.
Ready? You want 360?
Hang on, wait. Let me get on this
Let
side.
me stretch. You ready? Shit. Hold on, let me get away from the box. Here, you gotta kind of jump. It's so much harder. Want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh my God.
Can I see that picture?
It's a video.
Let's see.
Say, my name is Carter. Don't do it. Don't. I'm trying to get. Hey, say, my name is Carter,
My name is Carter,
and I just 360'd.
and I'm the 360.